Welcome to a quick introduction to Career Edge. Career Edge is the new ASU employee training and development system that will provide access to all of your training and workshops at ASU. Within Career Edge, you can complete the required minors on campus training. Additional features are being added to Career Edge later this year, such as LinkedIn Learning courses and other in-person training offerings at ASU. Contact the Experience Center at 1-855-278-5080 or submit an IT service request online in My ASU if you need technical assistance to access Career Edge. When you log into Career Edge, you will be taken to the Welcome page. The Minors on Campus training link will be in the middle of the screen under the black Featured Training widget. Click on the words Minors on Campus. The training details page will appear. From here, click on the request box. Now click on the Open Curriculum button on the right. Once again, click on the title of the training, which is Minors on Campus Curriculum. Do not click on the View Details button. Once the Minors on Campus curriculum is open, you will see its 4 steps. Click on the Activate box to the right of the first step of the training. Before you launch the first step, which is the interactive portion of the course, be sure the sound on your computer is turned on. Once the Launch button appears on the screen, click on the Launch button to begin. The introduction to the interactive course will begin automatically in a new window. Use the audio control to adjust the volume if necessary. Follow the prompts to move through the introduction sections and complete the rest of the interactive course. If at any time you wish to view the transcript of the audio, click on Transcript. You may also pause the audio by clicking on the Pause button. To restart the audio after pausing, click on the Play button. Use the Previous and Next buttons to navigate through the course. Once you finish the interactive course, close its window and you will be returned to the Minors on Campus curriculum. You will see that you are 25% done with the training. The next step is to click the Activate button followed by the Launch button for the second step of the training, which is Minors on Campus Policy. The policy will open in a new window. After reading the policy, close its window and you need to click on the Mark Complete button next to that second step of the training. Repeat this process again with the next step in the curriculum titled Best Practices, Minors on Campus. Once the first 3 steps of the training are completed, indicated by a check mark on each item, you may begin the Minors on Campus quiz by clicking on its Activate button followed by the Launch Test button. Once you submit your final answers, you will receive a score. If you do not pass the quiz, you will need to retake it. Once you pass the quiz, you can click on the Done button and be returned to the curriculum page. Now you will see that you have completed 100% of the curriculum. You will receive an email message to your ASU email address to verify that you have completed the Minors on Campus training. If you wish to stop and return to the Minors on Campus curriculum in ASU Career Edge later, simply log out. The next time you log back into ASU Career Edge, you will see the Minors on Campus training listed under the My Training widget on the right side of the Welcome page. You can click directly on the words Open Curriculum next to the title of the training so that you may start the curriculum again from where you left off. If you would like to view the completed training on your transcript, hover your mouse over Learning on the navigation bar and select View Your Transcript. If you have completed the training will not appear on your active transcript. To see a completed training, click on the down arrow next to Active and select Completed. The Minors on Campus training will appear on your completed transcript. Here you can fill out a brief evaluation of the training. Thank you for using Career Edge to complete the Minors on Campus training.